It's durian and the champedak season, so there's no guarantee that we're able to see the beautiful orang utan. If you're Malaysian, an adult is 5 ringgit, kids 2 ringgit, and like sorry, if you're disabled and senior citizen 3 ringgit, kids 2 ringgit. If you're foreigner, please pay more in our country, 10 ringgit per person, and 5 ringgit is for kids. Okay, let's go. You have to drive out to the visit center, make the payment over at the back and then drive out. After making the payment, you can drive up. If you want to walk out for more exercise, it's okay. When you're here, please be quiet. Don't be like my sister. The other day when we in Bako Park and then she was very excited. She's going monkey, monkey, and a big group of monkey disappeared. I think the orang utan is here. You have to be fast. Another reminder, be quiet, stay at least 6 meters away, no smoking, turn off the flash, do not use the tripod because the orang utan will think that it's the gun or something will shoot them. You can come over here early and then you can check a lot of the fun facts, and you're still allowed to walk around, and you have a look at the big face. It's actually a male Borneo orang utan, and the smaller face is female. The ranger inviting us to go into the orang utan feeding area, so we had to walk through this site. Short little walk, and the path is like this. If you're coming in wheelchair, I'm sorry, this is not a suitable place for you. Perhaps if you really want to see them in a natural, if you're able to walk in a walking stick, come early, let them know, or you might visit them in the zoo. Here is the walk path, just a little bit like we are in Bako National Park. It's a short walk only, so no need to wear covered shoe for this special visit. It's less than 5 minutes walk, and you'll be coming through this area. You'll be sitting far away to enjoy. Oh my god! I saw the orang utan already. I am very lucky. Like last time when my visit, I did not see any orang utan, and now I can see them in the wild. They are they are on their way to enjoy their lunch. My sister is very excited to see the orang utan. It's her first time. They are trying to lure the orang utan down to enjoy the meal. There you go. So remember, when you're here, you don't make too much noise. You scare away the orang utan. The orang utan is like going down soon. So cute. Oh. Okay, so cool. So they got the banana. This is a very good way to visit the orang utan. Any kinds of animal, visit them in the place where they live, and instead of like cage them up, lock them up in a place, a small space, I feel happy for them. They get a good supply of food, and they get a lot of freedom. They got good, well taken care by the staff here. They don't disturb them. Visit here, it depends on your luck. If you're lucky, you see them. If you're not lucky, you see nothing. So yeah, this is really a better way to visit any animal. So this is a pregnant mama. Okay. There's a fun fact to share with you. If you're able to see this one, in case that the orang utan, they need the rest, they will just like break the trunk, and then they make a very small little comfortable place for them to rest, wait for the food, or just relax. So one day they will make up to 3 nests to relax, to wait for the food. But of course they will have a permanent rest nest. So currently it's very quiet. We are trying our luck to see whether we can see more orang utan.
Ya, banyak nih. Oh, dia share dengan anaknya. Hodoh nih.
Si potato tu tak masaknya lah ya.
Dia takut dari atas ya orang.
Gaya.
Dia berak pun macam tu.
Ya.
Kaki dia ke atas itu pam ya.
Hati-hati ya, tak takut kena tuan bubur panas.
Bubur panas. If you would like to know the name of the orang utan, you can come over here to check out the family tree. And this is the one that's saying that very aggressive. And today that the one that we saw is called Mars. Let me look. Oh yeah. So this is the one that we saw. It born on year 2016, and the baby is not below yet. So yeah, just take a look all this. You're able to know which is which. Really strongly recommend you to visit here. Wear a long pants so you won't get a mosquito bite. I got no problem at all, but my sister like got lots of bite from the mosquito. And bring some drinking water along with you, and pray before you come, because you might not able to see them. Don't be sad if you cannot see them, because the money is actually go to help on the research and to maintain this place. It's a good thing to know them, to see them in the natural. With that, I will. Oh yeah, one more thing, that the ranger are very knowledgeable. I learned a lot from them. I learned how they build their nest, how their behavior, all these things. Do talk to the ranger when you are here. They are very friendly, very cute, very charming. And then bye bye.